Remember, one of the main rules of accounting is each transaction must affect two or more accounts. So far, all the transactions we have done have affected only two accounts. So let's see how a transaction might involve three accounts. So first of all, a transaction that involves more than two accounts is called a compound entry. The definition is a transaction that involves more than one credit or debit. So remember, when we're all done with this transaction, we must double check. Do debits equal credits? Because they have to, otherwise the accounting equation won't balance. So here's our transaction that will involve more than two accounts. A piece of equipment is purchased for $10,000, with $6,000 being paid in cash and the rest being put on account. So what is it that we're getting out of this transaction? We're getting equipment. And what's another account that's involved? Well, notice it says we paid $6,000 cash, so cash is involved. But it also says that the rest of it is being put on account. So accounts payable is also involved. So let's focus on equipment. What type of account is equipment? It's an asset. So which side is the plus side? The debit. Therefore, the credit side is a minus. Let's talk about cash. Which side is the plus side for cash? The debit side. So the credit side must be a minus. And what type of account is accounts payable? It's a liability. Therefore, which side is the plus side? The credit side. So the debit side is a minus. And then let's go back to the equipment account. After this transaction, we have more equipment or less equipment? We have more. And how much is it? It's $10,000. So we've got $10,000 of equipment. How much did we pay for the equipment in cash? $6,000. So is cash going up or down? Cash is going down by $6,000. And then notice it says the rest is being put on account. So is accounts payable increasing or decreasing? It's increasing, and by how much? Well, if the equipment cost is $10,000 and we're putting down $6,000 in cash, then the balance, $4,000, goes into accounts payable. And then the last thing we need to check, do our debits equal our credits? So our debit is $10,000. And how much are our credits? $6,000 plus $4,000. So debits are $10,000 and credits are a combined $10,000. So debits equal credits, so everything balances.